gonna be 3x over 3. And here, 6 over 3. What I'm doing here, I'm just making it in details. So I'll put the 3 as it was here, and 3x over 3 gonna be x. Here, 6 over 3 gonna be 2. Understand? So if I wanted to get factorizing out common factors, the first concept that we have in our lesson, we have to make what? We have to do the inverse of expand. Expanding means, removing brackets. Factorizing here means put the bracket. How can I put the bracket? Get out the common factor. If you get the common factor, you are going to take any term here and divide it over your common factor. So 3x over 3, because you get 3 out, and here is 6 over 3. Easy? Who can help me for the next one? If you have 12x squared plus 18x. Okay. Now, how can I choose my common factor? First, look at the coefficients here, the numbers. Here is 12 and here is 18. What is the common between the terms? The highest common factor of 12 and 18 is what? How can I get the highest common factor? Anyone can answer me? Is it 2? Is it 2? Look at the 12. 12 is coming from 2 multiply 6. 12 is coming from 3 multiply 4. Anything else? No. Maybe 1 multiply 12. No, it's not our business here. What about 18? 18 maybe 2 and multiplied by 9. And maybe 3 multiplied by 6. Right? Where is the biggest one here? Where is the biggest factor? Biggest common factor here? Yeah, it's 6. So you will start to choose 6. Okay? Of course, not every time you have to do that. So if you started to take 6, you get out the common factor from the numbers. What about the variables? Look at the variable. Here is x power of 2, and here is x. Where is the common factor here? Both terms contains x. This x power 2 multiplied x by x, and here is 1x, x multiplied by 1. So you have to take what? You have to take only 1x. Now, how can I write here the terms? You will take 12x squared, and as you are making division over the common factor, which is 6x. And here is 18x, and this term or this step is not very important. You can make it in your head. It's okay. Over 6x, I just want to make it in details to understand, to make you understand. So here's 6x, and here 12 over 6 gonna be 2. X power of 2 over x gonna be x. And here 18 over 6 gonna be 3, and x can be cancelled with this x. So I get my answer 6x multiplied by bracket, which is 2x plus 3. So get it? Any problem? So let's go to our section. Very good. Let's go to our section which is about golden rule, as we used to do. Who can get my golden rule with me? Golden rule mean what? Mean how to solve. So if I want to make it golden rule, as we used about outcoming factors, how can I get it? Highest common factor. After getting highest common factor, take it outside. Outside brackets. And then what I have to do after that? Divide each term by the common factor and answer. Check your answer after that. Okay? So this is our golden rule, or how to solve. Okay? If we started to solve another one to get out the common mistake as we used to make, look at here. If we have 330 x power of 2 minus 24x. Here, where is my highest common factor? Highest common factor? Who can get it? Maybe 6? Because 30 coming from 6 multiplied by 5 and 24 is 6 multiplied by 4. And x power of 2 and x, we will take only one x. Here is 30 divided 6, gonna be 5. X power of 2 divided x, gonna be x. Minus 24 divided 6, gonna be 4. X over x, gonna be 1. So it's finished. So what is our common mistake? What student do? From my experience, if I want to get out my common mistake, I will take what in the first one? Can you see it well? Or it will be better if we make it like that. It will be better. So if I want to get my common mistake, my common mistake, the first big one is to take out only the number and forgetting the variables. Okay? Like this question, look. Here, we have a factor, common factor for numbers and common factors for variables. A lot of students get out the common factor for numbers only. So if you get out highest common factor from numbers only, it's a very big mistake. Okay? And you have to factorize fully. If you don't factorize fully, what does it mean? Like this question, if we have 30 and 24, we can say, yeah, both of them is even number. We can take common factor is 2. No, it's not right. Why it's not right? Because if you put it 2, you didn't factorize it fully. So you get it? Anyone has any problem here? Of course, we will get out our questions from the past papers questions. Don't worry about that. But about these questions and this example as we make together, you have any problem? Okay, because we will move to the next concept.